Hello, welcome back to Inkscape, and in this part I'm going to explain about object ordering. So what is object ordering? Let's go to Inkscape and create two objects. Let's create one rectangle and one circle. And let's make the color different. And now you can see that the circle is placed above the rectangle, right? So by default, the new object will be placed above the old object. But how if we want the circle to be placed below or behind the rectangle? You should first go to the selection tool and select the object that you want to adjust the position. For example, the circle. And here you can see several options. The first one is lower selection to bottom. The second one is lower selection one step. The third one is raise selection one step. And the last one is raise selection to top. So if we want to make the circle to be placed behind the rectangle, you should use either the first one or the second one. The first one means that it will make the circle become the object that is placed below all of objects that you have. Well, the second one, it will only lower the selection by one step, only one step. So you can try both of them. If you want to make it above the rectangle, you can use either this one or this one. This one, it means that it will only raise the circle by one step, while this one will make the circle as the top object. It will be placed at the top of all of the objects. So you can try this or this one. You can make more objects to see what happens actually. Then go to selection tool. If you lower it by one step, it will be placed behind the yellow circle. Let's try it. Right? If we press it once again, it will be placed below the rectangle. But if you want it to be placed behind all of the objects, you can just press the first one. And it's just same with these two. If you want it to be placed above the rectangle but below the circle, you can use this one. It will raise by one step only. And the last one, it will raise it to the top of all objects. Okay, so this is all for this part. See you on the next tutorial.